Hey, this is Nathan Neese of N Squared Learning, and I wanted you to share with you the results of LTDE 5320, Design and Development of Multimedia Instruction. Our first artifact here was a group effort where we made a video of why we chose the profession of instructional design. And then second artifact is the use of a program that I use in my class called Fusion 360, where we can, it's a computer-aided drafting course, and so my students use that to design objects, and then we can convert that into a file and make a 3D print if we of different things. So that's how I've been using that in my class. The next artifact is my infographic on using the principles of design. And so just use these rules when creating your designs: unity, balance, hierarchy, contrast, and get the rest of it downloaded. Emphasis and scale and repetition. So, use these design principles. It guides your eye through the story, keeping you visually entertained and engaged. So, just want to make sure your message comes across loud and clear. So, I've been using these in my class as I create different artifacts or different units for my students. And then the next was a critical review of a academic paper. I chose drones in education, and the reason I chose that one is the last couple weeks I have been using the same class that uses the Fusion 360 is doing a unit on drones. So they've learned to fly the drones, and now they are creating a project with that. Some of them are creating video for new students around school. Some of them are learning to program the drone so they can fly it in a predetermined path or as multiple drones flying together as a swarm. So that's where we're using that. And then my last is this student-centered unit of learning using the our design, decide, design, still design, develop, and evaluate model. So I teach physics, so I chose the unit over electrical circuits. So the students design and construct a lighting system in two different rooms. One of them is a series circuit, one of them is a parallel circuit, and then they have to do the calculations and actually build it, have it turn on and off, and then they're going to try and sell it to the biology students that might want to light up their dioramas in their biology class. So, so that's my story for this semester. Thank y'all.